It is 6:32, and the vaccination rate for adults in Rhode Island has now reached 70%, a milestone that President Biden had set for the entire country by July the 4th.
COVID-related hospitalizations dipped below 20 patients Thursday for the first time since March of last year. 12 News reporter Rob Nesbitt spoke with Director of Critical Care about the changes in hospitalizations during the last 18 months.
Yeah, he joins us in the newsroom with a story that's all new this morning.
Nurses and physicians from Rhode Island Hospital gathered this week to look back on the last year of caring for COVID patients and celebrate how far they've come since their first patient in 2020. When it comes to treating COVID, few have as much experience in Rhode Island as Dr. Mitchell Levy.
We were seeing tragedy day by day.
At the height of the pandemic, he was the director of the medical ICU at Rhode Island Hospital and the lead for critical care for the Department of Health and Lifespan. As of Wednesday, COVID hospitalizations in Rhode Island dropped to 19, the lowest in more than a year.
We have a total of 3 patients with COVID in the entire Rhode Island Hospital. And only 1 in the intensive care unit.
COVID hospitalizations were the highest the week before Christmas. There were 514 Rhode Islanders in the hospital with COVID on December 15th, according to the Department of Health. Dr. Levy says it was especially hard to lose so many young patients.
Getting better, getting worse, getting better, getting worse. And that's extraordinarily difficult, especially when it's people in their 30s and 40s.
The director of critical care says treating COVID hasn't changed much, but that medical staff are more comfortable treating patients with the virus.
The atmosphere is so dramatically different.
The biggest game changer for healthcare workers has come with a high vaccine rate.
The people that we're seeing in the hospital, as few as they are all unvaccinated.
According to the Rhode Island Department of Health, since vaccine rollout began, more than 4,900 hospitalizations have been unvaccinated Rhode Islanders. A total of 96 vaccinated people have been admitted to a hospital. Dr. Levy says he's not concerned about the Delta variant in Rhode Island. He says that's because the vaccine has been successful in preventing hospitalizations with those who test positive for the variant. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Rob Nesbitt, 12 News.